Hey guys, if you would like to use the Steam family, today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, head over to your Steam application and get logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will see store, library, and stuff like that, but you will have to select friends just above store button. Select friends, and then you will see add a friend. Go ahead, click onto it, and make sure that you have added some friends. Once you have done that, you will see your username at the top right-hand side. Go ahead, click onto it, and select this Store Preferences. As you do that, from your left-hand side, you will see Family Management. This is exactly where we should go. So go ahead, click onto it, and you will see two options. One is Join a Family, another is Create a Family. Now, if somebody has sent you an invite, you may go ahead, join it, but if you would like to create one, select Create a Family. Give it any name that you would like. In my case, I won't be able to do it because I'm in my very basic account, but you will be able to create a family. And once you add a friend, you can go ahead, select which family group that you would like to add him or her into. And just like so, guys, this is how you can go about creating a family on Steam.